Good evening, it's Dave at All Things Important Reviews. I've got with me today another unboxing, and it is, I have obviously opened this so I don't obviously show private details, but I picked this one up off eBay in a sale. You can get some amazing deals currently, and this is actually, it's another one of my favourites in terms of manufacturers for affordable but quality. And this is a Maverick, and interestingly this is the reference 241614, and this is actually a woman's watch. Wow, this is, just tell this out now quick. Put that in there. Wow, I just had to get it because it was in such a great deal. I paid a really good deal for this, less than 100 GBP, and I think it got through customs just fine. So I got an amazing deal with this, and I bought it from an eBay reseller. I think it's a jewelry shop in America. They're doing some deals at the minute. Some of the Victorinoxes, some Mavericks. This is a Maverick Victorinox. I have the Daddy, which is 43, but this is only, I believe, 34. Now, this also shows you why it is ridiculous, in my honest opinion, when people tell you that 34 in the modern world it can be worn by a man. I think that's absolutely ridiculous. 34mm is so small, this won't even fit on my wrist, I don't think. But I've bought this for my girlfriend just as a present, and I wanted to get a review of it and just to show you what 34mm is. Oh, it turns out it will fit, but it's going to be super tight. Wow, that's well too tight for me. That just shows you, you know, I would never ever wear a 34mm watch. But wow, that is beautiful. I am going to pick it up as well in the you know, the male size, the larger 43 version, because they do a 43 version of it. This has, I'll just run through the specs. 34mm, I believe, quartz, stainless steel, obviously with some kind of PVD gold coating. Beautiful coating, absolutely beautiful coating. I don't know how durable it is. The one on my Maverick Large that I've just shown you, the center links that are gold coated, they've held up now for a few months just fine. I don't know how thick of a thing. I mean, if you want to buy the bracelets off Victorinox, from experience, they're quite expensive. They're over 100 quid, I believe, or you might be able to get them cheaper off some resellers. I don't know, I've not investigated all that. I meant if there was to chip. But the reason I love this Maverick, it looks brilliant. It's got a unique look. I love the fact you've got your 9 and 3 numerals, and then you've got this kind of further sub dial, if you will. It's just 100-meter water resist, fully solid bracelet, solid end links, nice clasp, heavy duty scissor arms, friction clasp. Again, friction's not my favourite, but it would be nice to have some push buttons on it. But still, again, unbelievably comfortable. This would be a great present for you, your girlfriends or family member. You know, Christmas time, all that type of stuff. This one has like a brownie. It's got like a chocolatey bezel and a kind of, I don't know how I would describe that dial. But it's unique and it's stunning, and I love the Maverick, and I'm going to pick this one up. I'm going to pick it up in both a black and gold two-tone, and I'm going to pick it up in just an all blue, because I think the all blue is striking. And again, you can get them in some unbelievable deals at the minute on eBay. It's just so comfortable. It's so thin. It's only about 11.5mm thick. This one might even be thinner, but yeah, it's very thin watch. But at the same time, you're getting the quality and the robustness because the bezel is lacquered. You know, it's not going to chip like aluminium. Can you see how it feels like ceramic? It's gorgeous. And to get this, I think the RRP for this is below 500 quid, but you can get them now in sales for really, really good, for like 100 to 200 quid, which I think is just brilliant. So I have picked this one up for my girlfriend. 34mm for a man. I mean, I can't even, it doesn't even fit on my 7 and a bit inch wrist. So obviously it's not a man's watch. I'm not saying you couldn't order more links if you really wanted to go down that route. You probably could. Well, you definitely could if you wanted, but I wouldn't personally, because I think 34mm is just too small for a man in this modern world. And I think 36 is too small for a man. Even with this case, it's not got the maxi style case of Rolex, but it does have a somewhat moderate case supporting frame, if you get what I'm saying, supporting body, sorry. You know, it's not like this Pagani, which has a much more substantial case to it. But again, so what I'm saying is the 43mm and the 34mm, they don't feel too big because the cases are not too overpowering and overbearing, and the thinness is there. You know, it fit under a cuff, no problem. So I love this watch. I think it all round bang for buck. It's very hard to beat. This is a Swiss manufacturer, Victorinox, big company. They do pen knives, they do everyday carry stuff, they do bags and stuff, but they do some amazing watches. And for for between the kind of, because you can get them on eBay so cheap, but the RRPs are around, I think, 300 to 500 quid on some of these watches. Some of them go up to £1,000, over £1,000. But I think the quality is there. I think the quality is up there with Tag. You know, and Hamilton, they do some really, really nice watches, Victorinox. So I'm a big fan of them. I'm going to be picking up some more of them. You'll see a lot more on my channel. Yep. Thanks for checking this review out, this unboxing out. Loads more to come. Have a great weekend. See you later.